All right, pretty easy using a brass punch. Just started one at a time, working them all the way around. You'll notice that the beveled end is facing the axle shaft where it'll get banged in. So I have one more ball bearing to put in. It's going very well, very easy to install them. All right, about 5 minutes to hit those ball bearings in, set the cage up. Pretty easy. Gonna pack it with moly grease, and then we'll get it installed onto the shaft. Okay, the RCV rebuild kit gives you 3 different snap rings. And you can see the one that was installed on it. It's the, let's see if I can focus, it's the square one. It's very, very different. The other 2 that comes with the kit for different applications are round, but different thicknesses. So there doesn't seem to be anything wrong with the snap ring that I have, so I'm going to reuse that, but I do have this one as well. So that's the key right there. So took some moly grease, packed it in there. Now basically I'm going to take this shaft, stand it up vertically, and then take a rubber mallet from the top, tap it down inside the splines, then I can work the joint back and forth. And then I will also install the rubber boot. Once again, I can install the rubber boot because the knuckle's off, and I can put the knuckle on with this rubber boot because I've got ball joint deletes, and I'm able to adjust the upper pin and get the knuckle off. Normally this would have to sit into the C, and then I'd have to skewer the shaft through it using the RCV piece and then some tie wraps and get the air out of it. So a little bit easier with the ball joint delete setup. Work that grease in there. I'll put the rubber boot on, then I'll add more grease from the stub shaft end with the needle attachment, the needle grease attachment. Okay, basically just slid the boot right down, compressed it. It compressed on nicely. And now I'm gonna flip this around, put the needle attachment on my grease gun, and pack this thing with some more grease. Because that's what she needs now. She needs more grease, for sure. Okay, just very gently installed the driver's side axle shaft in. No problem. Now, what I was talking about is you can do this because see the movement that I have on the ball joint delete with this pin? I can lift it up out of the way, and then I can work the knuckle over the stub shaft. Without that, I'd have to put the knuckle on first, then put the cup inside, then skewer, go through the knuckle this way and skewer the shaft, and then press it on the bell end. So anyway, it just makes it kind of easier. I put some grease in the RCV outer tube seals. They're all greased up. So this was the side that had no problem. The other side, the passenger side, I just rebuilt.